Hey everyone! Today, I'm super excited to share 10 amazing and completely free text presets that you absolutely need. And guess what? You can download this entire preset pack right now using the link in the description below. Let's dive right in and see how easy they are to use. First things first, let's get these presets into Premiere Pro. It's really simple. Just head over to your Effects panel, right-click anywhere within the panel, and select Import Presets. Then, navigate to where you've saved our preset pack, select it, and click Open. Now, you're all set. Let's see what incredible presets we've got and how to apply them. I'll grab the Type tool and add some sample text to our timeline. To give you the best view of these effects, I'll quickly align the text to the center of the frame. Applying any of these presets is a breeze. Simply drag and drop the preset directly onto your text layer. It's that easy to transform your titles and graphics. Here are the 10 fantastic presets included in this pack. 1. Horizontal blur effect. 2. Vertical blur effect. 3. Flash effect. 4. Floating effect. 5. Horizontal glitch effect. 6. Vertical glitch effect. 7. Glow effect. 8. Neon effect. You'll notice that the neon effect initially appears in pink, but don't worry, you can easily change that color. After applying the effect, select your text layer and go to the Effect Controls panel. From there, you can adjust the 4 drop shadow colors to any color you like. That's how you personalize your neon glow. 9. Pop-up effect. 10. Smoke effect. And there you have it. Those are the 10 free Premiere Pro text effects I'm giving you today. They're all completely free to use, with no copyright restrictions, so you can use them in all your projects without a worry. If you have any questions at all about these presets or anything else, please leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to reply as soon as possible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more free resources and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.